Hey everyone, Chris Urso here. Hope you had a great summer. It's been a while since I've put a couple of videos out there. I just wanted to say hello to our existing investors and some of our potentially new investors. I wanted to give you guys an update on a couple of things we've been working on. The summer was busy for us. As you look around here, a couple of things I wanted to update you on. A lot of these deals up on the wall are now sold, and we got to get our new ones up here. But this past summer, first I'm going to go back over here for a second, because I do want to touch on the market first before I get into, what we've been up to. So we spent the first 6 months of this year, pretty much from January through June, actively underwriting dozens and dozens and dozens of opportunities out there. We kind of anticipated there was going to be a lot of capital in the market that needed to be deployed in 2017. We've seen that happen. We got outbid on about 25 offers that we made in the first 6 months of this year, but we kept at it, kept leveraging our relationships, and then come June, we had some opportunities pop up for us as a result of those relationships, and we were able to just close this past yesterday, depending on when you see this, but in September, at the end of September, on Pooler Station, formerly known as Oglethorpe Square Apartments. It's 160 apartments down in Pooler, Georgia, which is a city in Savannah, fastest growing city in Savannah. It was an off-market opportunity, great asset in a great location that was just being operated by a local home builder that essentially developed the property. So we saw a great opportunity to come in, bring in our management style, do some cosmetic upgrades, modernize the asset a little bit, the amenities, rebrand it, and be able to drive rents probably about 20% in our first 2 years. So we're pretty excited. We just closed that deal up. And we also just sold another deal in July, which we haven't really spoke about, Plantation Flats down in North Charleston. And that was a 226 unit property, 216 apartments, 10 townhomes that we acquired 25 months ago. We implemented a robust improvement plan. We did the roofs, the balconies, put a new gym in, pool furniture, outdoor lounge, redid the whole clubhouse and office, fully upgraded about 36 apartments out of the 226. We were able to increase the rents over $125 since takeover, and we were able to sell that property in 25 months at a number that we projected we wouldn't hit until year 5. So we wanted to capitalize on that. Our investors made almost a 90% return on their capital, and that's net 90% return in 25 months. So we sold that in July. We just bought Pooler Station in September, which we're excited about. And we also completed the refi of, it's kind of hard to see, but Oasis at West Ashley, which is 116 units down in West Ashley, Charleston. So that was a full reposition. We vacated 100% of the property over 2 years, renovated the apartments, increased rents on average about $300, stabilized occupancy. We were able to refinance. We had a $9.2 million loan on the refi, paid off our $6.8 million bridge loan, and we were able to return a little over 40% of the capital back to our investors. And now we're going to hold that property for the next 7 to 10 years, generate cash flow for our investors. So they're able to get almost half their capital back, retain ownership in the property, and now it's going to generate steady cash flow in a high growth submarket. So all that's gone on from July through September. I hope you guys had a great summer. We had an awesome summer, but it was a busy one. We have a couple of new things in the works here before year end that we're excited for. So if you're an existing investor, you'll get some updates on that over the next few months as some deals materialize. We are actively pursuing new opportunities. It is an aggressive market, but we're staying extremely disciplined in our approach here. And we believe that the demographics over the next 10 plus years are still extremely strong in all of our markets, from Cincinnati to Pooler and Savannah to Charleston to Louisville. We're really Atlanta. We're focusing on the markets where we have a footprint right now. We know that we'll consistently find those 3 to 4 deals a year that make sense to acquire, either heavy value add or those deals that are performing but maybe not at their optimal level, so we can step in and bring in our new management and operating style to take them to the next level. So if you're a potentially new investor, I want to invite you to an event, and even our current investors that we're doing in a couple weeks here. You're going to get some information. It's going to be towards the end of October, but you'll get an invitation from Rebecca. It's going to be an event where we kind of talk about our portfolio, what's gone on year to date, what we're seeing in the market, and give you a chance to ask some questions, get a feel for us. It is for accredited investors only, though. I do apologize for that, but that's the guidelines that we have to follow. So if you're an accredited investor, Rebecca will send you an invitation out, ask you to fill out some paperwork, and get you registered. And it's going to be a fun night. We're going to have a couple of drinks, some light food, and kind of talk through our portfolio, URS Capital, how you can get involved. And for those of you that are involved with us, we appreciate it tremendously and look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.